In the early light, the forest awoke to a strange stillness, a silent sadness lingering in the air. Finn stared at the shimmering water, his heart heavy with the weight of the somber atmosphere. A fleeting shadow moved with elegance, Daisy's swift movements a mesmerizing ballet of hope. A small figure bounded with courage, Benny's determination shining through his focused gaze. Before them loomed an entrance to the unknown, a gateway to destiny obscured by time's touch. Shadows danced around them as they ventured into darkness, their unity a beacon in the dimness. Nature itself seemed to challenge them, a formidable barrier testing their resolve and unity. Amidst ethereal light, they uncovered the key to salvation, a tome of wisdom beckoning with mystic promise. Bound by friendship, their hearts intertwined in a tapestry of love and courage, they prepared to confront darkness with light. Laughter echoed through the trees as joy blossomed once more, a celebration of harmony and unity under the setting sun.